Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying the exact use and rights you need, commercial versus non-commercial, global versus regional, and the platforms where audio will play. Once done, set a budget and deadline because licensing options depend on those constraints. Next, collect any existing music stems, timestamps, or reference tracks you like to speed negotiation. Make sure to note whether you need synchronization rights for video or public performance rights for streaming, because that determines the legal route you must follow. Now secure the actual rights. Search for credible royalty-free libraries with explicit commercial licenses or contact rights holders to purchase sync and master licenses. Once you identify the owner, request a written agreement that names uses, territory, term, and exclusivity. Do not rely on email ambiguity. If commissioning, obtain work for hire and transfer of rights in writing so you own the composition and recording. Make sure to retain proof of license and payment receipts for future disputes or platform claims. Finish by embedding license metadata into the audio file and storing signed agreements alongside your project assets. This proves your right to use the music. Once uploaded, if a platform claim appears, respond promptly with the license, invoice, and exact timestamps showing permitted use. If automated takedowns persist, escalate to the platform dispute process and provide documents. If unresolved, replace the track with properly licensed audio to avoid delivery delays. A final tip: always verify license scope.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.